A new day, my dear. Today is a brand new opportunity to begin again. It is a new beginning. And you can't wait to see what excites and delights you today. And what wonders make their way into your life. Today, you look forward to seeing evidence of all that is good in the world, and to see glimpses of what is lined up for you in your future. This is going to be a good day. You are very much looking forward to all of the co-creative experiences you have today and interacting with all those who are in alignment with you. It's an opportunity for you to look for things to feel good about. An opportunity for you to focus on what you desire each moment. And an opportunity for you to look for things to appreciate throughout your day. This is a really good day. Today, you're going to be aware of how you are feeling. And your emotions will guide you today and every day. You are in touch with your emotions. And the emotional guidance you receive is going to help you to clearly move through your day with ease and with grace. This is going to allow you to bring forth new things that you desire. Today, you are going to be deliberately receptive and open to inspiration. You always receive good ideas when you are relaxed and feeling good. And you feel really good about today. There has never been a better day to go out into the world and live your life to the fullest. You know that every day you allow good feelings to flow through you. That it's a good day, and that you are living a happy and prosperous existence. You take pride in yourself for taking a few moments each and every day to set your thoughts off on a path that leads to more joy and more fulfillment. It's habits like these that really help to create a great life for oneself. It is a good day already, and you can't wait to experience the good things that await you.